New shoes, new move. I don't want the fake love on dailies. Like the way
Upside down puff pastry hot dog. I know it sounds crazy, but it's good, and that's probably why it's viral. So I'm gonna make it for you, and we're gonna love it. First thing I'm gonna do is cut my puff pastry, which I have defrosted. And I thought I'd make it easy on myself. 3 hot dogs, 3 pieces of puff pastry. And now I'm gonna cut my hot dogs. There we go. Just cut them almost all the way through. I'm just gonna open them up. All right, then I'm gonna start with cheese. So I'm gonna make 3 rows of cheese. You can use as much as you want, any cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack on the bottom. Okay, I think that's pretty close. Okay, I'm gonna put my hot dogs on top. Okay, and then our next cheese. I've got extra sharp cheddar cheese. Then we're going to put our puff pastry on top. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to push it down. The oven's preheating to 400 degrees. All right. Next, I'm using my fork. Mark says keep the excess, so I'm leaving it on. And I'm pushing down. I seal it. I'm doing an egg wash on top. To help make them golden brown. All right, I've decided to top each one with something different. So I've got toasted sesame seeds. We'll start with that. This is optional, but I think it looks cool. Okay, next, poppy seeds. So like if you're doing a Chicago dog.
Oh, that looks cool.
Okay, put the rest right there, and then some dried parsley, just for something different. All right, it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And now we're gonna have to wait. All right, take a look at that. Oh my gosh.
Golden brown.
Perfect. Now we're gonna let this cool.
Ooh, it's sizzling.
And yeah,
Man, that looks good.
it does. You'd never knew there was a hot dog under there. All right, this is our upside down puff pastry hot dog.
Absolutely gorgeous. Insert picture here so you can see a close-up.
They are big. If you don't trim any of the puff pastry off, they're a little big, and we're using bun length hot dogs.
What kind?
Bun length.
No, what kind of hot dog?
Oh, I forget. All
Hebrew
beef.
National.
Hebrew National, that's it.
Because,
We're not sponsored.
no, but we're of the...
This is Mark's favorite.
Yes, it is.
All right, hear that crunch?
Oh my God. This is decadent.
Now I have ketchup and relish on mine. What do you have on yours? Now that you took a nice big bite.
Yellow mustard.
Okay, and on the side you have
Dill pickles.
dill pickles. So what would you put on or with your hot dog?
Wow. That is good.
It is very good. I'm almost to the hot dog.
Unbelievable.
This is viral recipe, so
How easy is this?
oh, I know.
And it almost looks gourmet. Your guests will lose their mind if you cook these. Oh, I'd do this. We should cook these
Yeah.
again.
You got crumbs all over your face.
Oh, it's a beautiful thing, Virginia. Puff pastry.
You could go wrong with puff pastry.
2 kinds of cheese. Nice.
You can do the same cheese, you can do no cheese, you can change it up any way you want. I really like this. And we are hungry, and this is our dinner. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 videos a week. Recipes always in the description box. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Very nice.
Oh my.
As soon as you come around, I feel elevation. I need you to stay. I'll be by your side. We ain't got no time to waste. Girl, I'm not here to play you all night. So whenever you pull up, just show me love. I just know you got, baby. You never felt it. Keep me satisfied. Keep me satisfied. You got, baby. You never felt it. Keep me satisfied. Keep me satisfied. Keep me satisfied. Yeah, keep me satisfied. Keep me satisfied.
Hey, yo, it's crazy right now. Yeah, baby girl, I'm satisfied. All I want's to be at your side. I'm staying on you cause you're on my mind. We could get this in, you can hop in my ride. Too smooth with the show, shit groove. You move me, baby, let's make a movie. You know I be in tune. I wake up and spend a platoon. You're January to June. You know as soon as
I feel elevation. I need you to stay. I'll be by your side. We ain't got no time to waste. Girl, I'm not here to play you all night. So whenever you pull up, just show me love. I just know you got